Who's making that noise? Martin?
Oh, they play trains.
They're playing trains.
Two duck up there.
Too bright, sorry mate.
Look at look.
Oh, there's our shadow. Hi shadow.
Whee! Whee!
Not too scary. I thought you were going to read me this book. Come on.
Where's that noise?
It's a bear and his trumpet. Do, 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 do. Ready? Next page.
And a happy. Let's go by my party. Look at that noise. Chicken.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
Bop, bop, bop,
Bop,
bop,
bop,
bop,
bop,
bop,
bop,
bop.
bop, bop. Bop the bunny. Then, bop in the game. Then put him back. Eek.
Ready? Do this one. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us.
Not toy, that one. A doggy. A doggy. Me too.
Who's making that noise?
Noise.
Is it those noisy boys?
No.
No. It's the
Pig. Pig.
Who's making that noise? It's not us. It's a cat. Ring ding ding ding. What's that?
It's got trouble.
He's in trouble.
Look at that noise. It's noise, boys.
No, it's not us.
A rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
A rabbit.